Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. We're going to go ahead and review a PC Engine TurboGrafx 16. This is the Hyperkin Gx, a HD gaming console from Hyperkin. Here's the information. If you guys want to pause, you guys can look at that. Here's the back of the console. So all right, let's go ahead and open her up. Since we are, oh, here you go, we forgot. Okay, I did kind of pre-open this just to get it open to see, but I didn't like turn it on or anything else. I just took the console out and then I reapplied the tape or whatever. Of course, we have the Let's Game and 1987 Reborn, I guess. Okay, my receipt. I did pre-order this console because of the COVID issues that we are recovering from and economic problems with all these companies firing everybody, and then chip shortages and all this stuff caused it to go up $10 for me. So yeah, that's what happens when you're not prepared as a society and we have chip shortages. So that causes and employment shortages and people not making as much money because they've been fired from whatever jobs, you know. But yeah, so because of that, it's gone up 10 bucks. It cost me $99. I canceled my pre-order because the firmware on this thing is crap. Comes with a 4GB SD card and it has a toggle switch. Let's see if I can get it to refocus there. 4x3 or the other mode. Cool. Here's some other things that come in the box. Exclusive offer. I don't know if there's any other deals in here. Doesn't look like it's any special offers. It's just kind of there. So okay. Anyway, it comes with a controller. These are really nice compared to the old ones. This is very reminiscent of the original controllers. They're all right. I've used them before. The only problem I have with it is it's the old style. I have a analog duo, so the issue that I have with that is now we are facing different sizes. Gives me bananas. We have to have different proprietaries of stuff. Okay, we got your HIDMI cable, power supply. So you got your HIDMI cable, you got your power supply, and it's a USB-C cable. Nothing special really, and a shitty power adapter that you can get for a nickel online. So nothing special here. I probably would just use the analog pocket one that came with the analog pocket. Or not the analog pocket, but the analog duo. That's what I'm going to use. All right, I'm going to go ahead and start her up. So when I come back, you'll see that it's working. So just a moment.